Hey guys, Bert here again from the Business Trend Zone, and this video is about a great new course called Healthy Commissions by two well-known internet marketers, Rob Jones and Gerry Cramer. And if you're into affiliate marketing and would like to start your own online business, then stick around for the rest of this video. Okay, so before we get into further details about what Healthy Commissions is about, let's hear from the creators, Rob and Gerry, of the Healthy Commission system and see what they have to say.
Hi, welcome. My name is Rob Jones and this is Gerry Cramer, and we're here today to share with you something very special. Now before we get started, I want to introduce you to Gerry. Gerry has been responsible for generating more #1 ClickBank super affiliates than anyone else in the world. And these are people from all walks of life that start off as teachers, students, accountants, lawyers, construction workers, you name it, leading on to become some of the most powerful, profitable super affiliates in the world using a simple 5-step system that we're going to map out for you today in an ebook that you can download right below this video. Now the crazy thing is, right in the middle of the crazy world situation that's going on right now, most of us are stuck in lockdown. Our small group of students banded together. They're people from all walks of life, but in this group they're all equals, and we're all helping each other to have the same levels of success. And the amount of students, dozens and dozens of students who've broke through making $1,000 per day or more using this simple 5-step system is really astonishing, and it's happened. There's been a huge explosion ever since February when things got especially bad around the world. And there's a lot of specific reasons why things are working even better now, which we'll spell out in the ebook. So I won't drag it on too much. Just scroll down, download the ebook below, and go ahead and run through that, and we'll map out the entire system for you. And after you've gone through the ebook, make sure to also register for the upcoming live training session where we're gonna dig even deeper into the system and show you exactly how you can do it yourself. So scroll down now, click the link, download the ebook, and register for the upcoming live training session.
So guys, here's the page that you get to when you click the link below the video, and this is where you can go and download your free ebook and also register for the live training. But before you do that, just have a quick look at what other students have to say that have been on this course in the past.
I come from the IT industry, the telecommunications industry. I worked there for about 22 years. I went on a vacation to Chicago to run a marathon, and when I came back, my boss told me I was fired, and it was the first time it happened in my career. I knew all the family depended on me. After so many months of setbacks, of failures, of not finding a regular job or not being successful with my income, I was developing internal fears. I felt I was completely failing to my wife because I felt the situation was too hard for me. I realized I could still make a change in my life. June 2018, when my wife saw an email from ClickBank, I got excited about it, and we both saw your presentation with Rob. We started running ads. I started to make success. One sale here and there, that gave me confidence. That's when I achieved my breakthrough. It felt like magic, far beyond my initial expectations.
Thank you, man.
Thank you, Gerry.
I appreciate you sharing your
Thank you very much, Gerry.
Get in here.
Okay guys, there you have it. So go and download your ebook, register for the live training. After all, you've got nothing to lose. This might be your chance of realizing your dream of creating your own online business and getting out of the 9 to 5 rat race. Thanks guys, I'll see you on the other side.